How to know if someone has declined your friend request on Snapchat? Well, hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Let me explain you on how you can know if someone has denied or rejected your friend request on Snapchat. Well, to be honest and straight, Snapchat doesn't explicitly notify you when someone declines your friend request. However, you can infer it based on few clues. If you have sent a friend request and the add friend option disappears from the profile, or if their profile shows message and more option. So for example, open up Snapchat and go ahead and add new friends, right? If you add certain friends and if you head over to the profile, you'll be able to see certain details, but you won't be able to see the message option. And even if you find the message option, for example, if it pops up on your profile, you can see on your chat feed, you'll be able to open it. But if you head over to the profile, you won't be able to see much of the details, right? So it basically means that they haven't accepted you or they have declined your request. Now, there is no any confirmed way to know that they have declined it. It might just be pending on the list, or vice versa. It just means that they haven't yet accepted your friend request. So here, accept friend request, but if I send someone new here and head over to the profile, you can see it's so added, but they haven't accepted it yet. So there is no any such details like the previous one on which I accepted the request here by mistake. So head over to certain profile, you'll be able to see add. If you add them, you'll see added, but you won't be able to see their details. You won't be able to see the call icon if you head over to the profile. So hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe.